Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes children, are you fine? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take your social science book. All of you take your social science book and social science classwork, homework, pencil, eraser, everything. Take children, take and keep with you. Take fast. Have you taken children? Have you taken everything? Yes. So now the revision is going on. Yes or no children? In social science we had completed all the lesson. Yes or no children? So that's why we have started our revision. Okay. So already in the previous class we have learnt some of the topic from the third lesson. Unit 3 Panchayat. Okay children. So now today also we are going to learn some of the topic. We are going to recall some of the topic from this third lesson Panchayat. Okay, so all of you listen children. Okay, so all of you take your social science book. Take book page number 149. Take book page number 149. So already in the previous class we learnt about the Gram Sabha meeting. So already in the previous class we learnt about the topic Gram Sabha meeting. What is Gram Sabha meeting? Then what will they do in the meeting? What will they do in the meeting? So that all we have learnt in the previous class. Yes or no children? Have you understood clearly? And also I gave some extra choose the correct answers and homeworks also I gave in the previous class. Yes or no children? So did you study everything? I said to study that. Yes. So did you study children? Yes. So now let's start our today topic. Okay, so first of all we have to know about our country. Okay children, so listen, see, it is the India is our country. India is our country. We all live in India. Yes or no children? We all are live in India. So India is our country. India is our country. Okay, so see the picture, it is the India. Okay children? Okay, yes. So now India is vast country. So our India is vast country with many villages, towns and cities. So நம்ம countryல நிறைய village, towns, cities லாம் இருக்கு. Okay, so village na நகர்ப்புறம், sorry, கிராமப்புறம். Village means கிராமப்புறம். Then town means நகர்ப்புறம், and cities also well developed area. Okay, so in our country is vast country. Our India is a vast country. That means big country. Our India is very big country. Okay, because in country we have many villages, towns and cities. Okay, நம்ம இந்தியால நிறைய village, town, cities லாம் இருக்குது. Okay, so our country is big country. Okay children, so all the people in our village, town and cities, all the people, they want some basic needs, some basic facilities. They need some basic facilities. For example, water facilities and its street lamp, and then street cleaning. Yes, so like that many basic facilities is there. They need some basic facilities. Okay, so that all the basic facilities provides the Gram Panchayat and the municipality and then corporation. Okay, so on the gram and the basic facilities எல்லாம் யாரால fulfill ஆகும்? Gram Panchayat, municipality and corporation. So இது அவங்களால தான் முடியும். So villageல இருக்கக்கூடிய மக்களுக்கு தேவையான அடிப்படை வசதிகள் எல்லாம் யாரால செஞ்சு கொடுப்பாங்க? யார் செஞ்சு கொடுப்பாங்க? எஸ், கிராம பஞ்சாயத்து. ஓகே, வில்லேஜில் இருக்கவங்களுக்கு எல்லா தேவையான பேசிக் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் ப்ரொவைட்ஸ் பை கிராம பஞ்சாயத். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டவுன்ஸ் அண்டு சிட்டிஸில் இருக்கக்கூடியவங்களுக்கு முனிசிபாலிட்டி கமிட்டி அண்டு கார்பரேஷன் கேன் ப்ரொவைட் ஆல் த பேசிக் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன்? ஓகே, எஸ். தென் தேர் ஆர் 12,620 கிராம் பஞ்சாயத்து இன் தமிழ்நாடு. ஓகே, நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டில் எத்தனை கிராம் பஞ்சாயத்து இருக்குது? There are 12,620 20 gram panchayat in Tamil Nadu. Okay children? Yes. So now let's start our today topic. So now today we are going to recall about the topic Panchayat Raj. Panchayat Raj system. Panchayat Raj system. So all of you take your social science book. Take book page number 149. Take your social science book. Take book page number 149. Take children. So in this lesson there is the dialogue, conversation between Inian and his daddy. Inian and his daddy. Yes. So now let us learn about, read about that, and we can understand about our country. Okay, about country government. Okay children. So Panchayat Raj system. Today we are going to learn about the topic Panchayat Raj system. So already we know about this. Yes, already we have learned. Yes or no children? So once we will recall. Okay. So our country India is vast country. Yes or no children? Nama country romba periya country edutane. So it has many towns and villages and cities is there. Okay. So நம்ம country பெரிய countryயா இருக்கனால நிறைய towns, cities, villageலாம் இருக்குது. Okay. So therefore many panchayat must except village panchayat is the root of panchayat system. Okay. So village panchayat. Okay. நிறைய cities, townsலாம் இருக்குது. ஆனா village panchayat அதுதான் என்னது root of panchayat system. So panchayat system oda vere enadha village panchayat. Okay children. So village panchayat provides the basic facilities to the village people. So village panchayat village la irukodiya makkalukku theviyana basic facilities ella yaar fulfill பண்ணுவா village panchayat. Okay, village la irukodiya makkalukku village panchayat theviyana அடிப்படை வசதிகளெல்லாம் செய்து கொடுப்பாங்க. ஓகே, the village panchayat provides the basic facilities to the village people. Okay children. Okay, so see here it is a picture. You can see the picture. It is the constitutional amendment. Okay, so 73rd constitutional amendment act came into the force in April 1993. So 73rd constitutional amendment. Okay, ஒரு அரசியலமைப்பு சட்டம். Okay, amendment act. ஸோ நம்ம இந்தியாவிலுடைய நிறைய மக்கள் இருக்காங்கிறது. ஸோ எல்லாரையும் ஒரே கவர்மெண்ட் நினச்ச முடியாது, பார்த்துக்க முடியாது. தேவையான ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் எல்லாமே ஒரே கவர்மெண்ட்டால் எல்லாம் ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ண முடியாது அப்படிதானே. ஸோ நம்ம கவர்மெண்ட்டு பஞ்சாயத் ராஜ் சிஸ்டம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு சிஸ்டம் சிஸ்டத்தில் 3 tier system. Okay, so 73rd constitutional amendment act is the 3 tier system of panchayat raj. Okay, so நம்ம கண்ட்ரியில் நிறைய டவுன்ஸு, வில்லேஜு, நெக்ஸ்ட் சிட்டிஸ்லாம் இருக்கனால எல்லா இடங்களையும் ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட்டால் நினச்ச முடியாது, பார்த்துக்க முடியாது அப்படின்னா. ஸோ அதுக்காக நிறைய சிட்டிஸ்க்கு முனிசிபாலிட்டி, டவுன்ஸுக்கு கார்ப்பரேஷன், அண்ட் தென் வில்லேஜுக்கு வில்லேஜ் பஞ்சாயத். ஸோ லைக் தட் they can divide. ஓகே, ஸோ வில்லேஜில் இருக்கவங்களுக்கு எல்லா ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸும் நீ வில்லேஜ் பஞ்சாயத்து பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு சிட்டிஸ், டவுன்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லாருக்கும் தேவையான ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸை முனிசிபாலிட்டி, கார்ப்பரேஷன்ஸ்லாம் பண்ணணும். அந்த மாதிரி என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாங்க, பிரிச்சுட்டாங்க. ஓகே, தனித்தனியாக நம்ம சிட்டி, வில்லேஜு, டவுன்ஸ் எல்லாம் தனித்தனியாக பிரித்து நமக்கு தேவையான ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ்லாம் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ அதுக்காக தான் 73rd கான்ஸ்டியூஷனல் அமெண்ட்மெண்ட் அப்படின்னு ஒரு சிஸ்டம். ஓகே, 3 tier சிஸ்டம் பஞ்சாயத் ராஜ் அப்படின்னு ஒரு 3 tier சிஸ்டம் கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ see the picture children, you can see the picture. So first you can see down. Okay, so first village panchayat. Okay, so கீழே இருந்து தான் மேலே போகணுன்னு. ஸோ can you see the pyramid? Okay, pyramid கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா? Okay, see the picture children, pyramid, village panchayat. Okay, so that is the village level. Okay, village panchayat, they can provide all the facilities. Okay, village panchayat, gram panchayat. Okay, village panchayat, gram panchayat. Okay, it is the village level. It is village level. வில்லேஜில் இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா மக்களுக்கும் தேவையான ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் எல்லாமே வில்லேஜ் பஞ்சாயத்து, தட் மீன்ஸ் கிராம் பஞ்சாயத்து எல்லாம் பண்ணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பஞ்சாயத் யூனியன். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பஞ்சாயத் யூனியன், இட் இஸ் பிளாக் லெவல். ஓகே, ஸோ பஞ்சாயத் யூனியன் கொஞ்சம் வில்லேஜுக்கு அடுத்தது. ஓகே, பஞ்சாயத்து. ஓகே, பஞ்சாயத்துக்கு பஞ்சாயத்து. ஓகே, பஞ்சாயத்து யூனியன் can provides all the facilities for the people. Okay, then next district panchayat. Next district panchayat, Silla Farshit. Okay, district panchayat, that is the district level. Okay, so village la irukkodiyavungalukku village panchayat, next பஞ்சாயத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடியவங்களுக்கு பஞ்சாயத்து யூனியன், நெக்ஸ்ட் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்டில் இருக்கக்கூடியவங்களுக்கு டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பஞ்சாயத்து. ஓகே, ஸோ தேர் ஆர் 3 levels. ஓகே, வில்லேஜ் லெவல், பிளாக் லெவல் அண்ட் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் லெவல். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் லைக் திஸ் த constitutional 73rd constitutional amendment is acted, the act 3 tier system of panchayat raj. Okay, so இப்படி வில்லேஜில் இருக்கக்கூடிய மக்கள், சிட்டிஸ் டவுன்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய மக்களை தனித்தனியாக பிரித்து அவங்களுக்கு தேவையான பேசிக் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் கவர்மெண்ட் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ லைக் தட், ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை த levels, village level, block level and district level, so like that they can divide it. Okay children, so our government can divide it like this. Okay, so panchayat raj in India, democracy is present at all the level, whether it is central, state or local level. So in India, democracy is present at the levels. Okay, so our country, our India is the democracy country. So democracy means மக்களாட்சி. ஓகே, ஸோ நமக்கு தேவையான தலைவர்களை நம்ம தான் எலெக்ஷன் மூலமாக தேர்ந்தெடுக்கிறோம், அப்படி தானே? ஸோ அவர் கண்ட்ரி இஸ் டெமோக்ரஸி கண்ட்ரி, மக்களாட்சி. ஓகே, இன் இந்தியா there is the democracy country. Okay, so in India, democracy is present at the levels. Okay, whether it is central, state or local level. Okay, central level, state level, then local level. So இந்த மாதிரி levels அடிப்படையில் நம்ம இந்தியா democracy இருக்குது. Okay children, at the local level, panchayat raj system is established by the government. Okay, so local level. Okay, so local level இருக்கக்கூடிய மக்கள், for that means village panchayat, panchayat union and district panchayat. Okay, so that is the local level panchayat. Okay, okay children, so local level panchayat raj system. ஓகே, ஸோ லோக்கல் லெவலில் இருக்கவங்களுக்கு பஞ்சாயத்து ராஜ் சிஸ்டம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு சிஸ்டமை எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணியிருக்கு. யார்? கவர்மெண்ட். ஓகே, ஆஃப்டர் இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ சுதந்திரம் வாங்கினதுக்கு அப்புறமா நமக்கு லோக்கல் லெவலில் இருக்கக்கூடியவங்களுக்கு பஞ்சாயத்து ராஜ் சிஸ்டம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு சிஸ்டமை கவர்மெண்ட் அமைச்சிருக்கு. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ அஸ் டு மெயின்டைன் லா அண்ட் ஆர்டர் இன் த வில்லேஜ் ஆர் ஸ்மால் டவுன்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் த village and small town. Okay, so panchayat raj system established by the government. Okay, so which people? Village and small town people. Okay children, so as to maintain the law and order in the village and small towns. Okay, so village க்கும் small town க்கும் இருக்கக்கூடிய law and orders maintain பண்ணுறதுக்காக கொண்டு வரப்பட்ட ஒரு amendment. Okay, panchayat raj system. Okay children, it is provided by government. Okay children, it is established by government. Okay children, okay, so it is the 3 structure, okay, which consist of Shilla Parishad at the district level, next Panchayat Summit at the block level, next Gram Panchayat at the village level. Okay, so there are 3 level: village level, block level, district level. Okay, so like this the Panchayat Raj system, the 73rd constitutional amendment is acted 3 tier system of Panchayat Raj. Okay children, have you understood clearly? Yes, so now have you understood clearly about this topic children? Yes, okay, then next Indian asked to her father, his father, daddy, who are all the village panchayat. Okay, so that topic we will learn our next class. Okay children, so today we learned about the panchayat raj system. Yes or no children? So have you understood clearly children? Yes, then next topic we will learn our next class. Okay, so now all of you take your social class work. We are going to write some extra class works. Take children. So have you taken children? Have you taken social class work? Take children, take your social class work. Write continuously. Okay, already in the previous class I gave 5, choose the correct answer. Yes or no children? So did you write? Did you completed everything? Yes, and also I said to study Study the classwork and homework. Yes. So did you study, children? Did you study choose the correct answer? Did you study choose the correct answer, children? Yes, all of you study every day. Okay, you must study. Okay, because our quarterly exam coming near us. Okay, children. So have to study every day. Okay, study and write and see. Okay. Yes. So now leave one line and write, fill in the blanks. So first of all, write today date and day. Then start to write, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Have you written, children? So first to fill up, put number 1, leave one line and write neatly. Your handwriting should be neat. Okay. Okay, children. Yes. So first one, Gram Sabha meeting. Gram Sabha meeting. Gram Sabha meeting was held on. Gram Sabha meeting was held on. Held means nadaipurudal. Okay, held on the Independence Day. Gram Sabha meeting was held on the Independence Day. Gram Sabha meeting was held on the Independence Day. Okay, children, did you write? So underline Gram Sabha. Underline Gram Sabha. First letter should be capital, then end with the full stop. Write neatly. Over word or finger space. So write neatly. Okay, your handwriting should be neat. Okay, children. Okay. Yes. So did you finish first one? Then leave one line and write second one. Leave one line and write second one. Central and state government. Central and state government provide money to the Panchayat. Central and state government. Central and state government provide money to the Panchayat. Central and state government. Central government and state government. Okay. So central and state government provide money to the Panchayat. Okay. Provide money to the Panchayat. So underline Panchayat. So see the spelling. Write correctly. Don't make mistake. Write correctly, children. Panchayat. Central and state government provide money to the Panchayat. So you can underline Panchayat. Okay, children. Okay, then leave one line and write third fill up. Leave one line and write third fill up. In Tamil Nadu, there are 12,620 gram Panchayat. In Tamil Nadu, there are 12,620 gram Panchayat. So you can underline 12,620. In Tamil Nadu, there are 12,620 gram Panchayats. So you can underline 12,620. Okay, children, did you finish the third fill up? Okay, then leave one line and write fourth one. Leave one line and write fourth fill up. In order day, they write the names of the leaders and put into the mud bath called Kudam. Sorry, in order, not in olden. Okay, in olden days. So there is a mistake, children. You can say change. In olden, O-L-D-E-N. O-L-D-E-N. Olden day. In olden day. Okay, you can write olden. O-L-D-E-N. Olden day. In olden days. In olden days, they write the names of the leaders and put into the mud pot called kudam. Okay, so olden days la leaders அவங்க எப்படி choose பண்ணுவாங்களா, leaders ஓட நேம் ஓலைகளில் எழுதி நினச்சிவாங்களா மட்பாட்டில் மண்பானைகளில் போடுவாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ லைக் தேட் only they can choose the leaders. In olden days they write the name of the leaders and put into the mud pot called kudam. ஓகே, மண்பானையில் போடுற அந்த பானைக்கு தான் குடாம் அப்படின்னு பேர். ஓகே children, did you write? So underline kudam, underline kudam. Okay, then leave one line and write fifth one. Gram Sabha is the root of democracy. Gram Sabha is the root of democracy. Gram Sabha is the root of democracy. So you can underline democracy. Gram Sabha is the root of democracy. So you can underline democracy. Okay children, did you write 5 fill-ups? So now we will read. Listen children. All of you read children. Read with me. Okay. Gram Sabha meeting was held on the Independence Day. Read all of you. Gram Sabha meeting was held on the Independence Day. Okay, then second, central and state government provide money to the panchayat. Central and state government provide money to the panchayat. Okay, again read children. Central and state government provide money to the panchayat. Okay, then third, in Tamil Nadu there are 12,620 gram panchayat. In Tamil Nadu there are 12,620 gram panchayat. Again in Tamil Nadu there are 12,620 gram panchayat. Okay, next fourth, in olden days they write the names of the leaders and put into the mud pot called kudam. Okay, again read children. In olden days they write the names of the leaders and put into the mud pot called kudam. Okay, again read children. In olden days they write the names of the leaders and put into the mud pot called kudam. Okay, then fifth, Gram Sabha is the root of democracy. Again read children. Gram Sabha is the root of democracy. Gram Sabha is the root of democracy. Okay children, can you read this 5 fill-ups? Okay, again once all of you listen children. Gram Sabha meeting was held on Independence Day. Okay, then second, central and state government provide money to the panchayat. Okay, then third, in Tamil Nadu there are 12,620 gram panchayat. Okay, then fourth, in olden days they write the names of the leaders and put into the mud pot called kudam. Okay, then fifth, Gram Sabha is the root of democracy. Okay, can you read children? Can you read all of you? Yes, so it is the classwork today. So today all of you study must. Okay children, you have to study this 5 fill-ups and write and see in your rough note. Okay children, can you do? So all of you every day you should study the classwork and homework. Okay children, study and write and see. Okay, don't study only. Okay, you can study and write. Okay, படிச்ச உடனே எழுதி பார்த்துறணும். ஓகேவா? Study and write and see, then only you can get more marks. Okay, in the examination. Okay children, so today you can study this 5 fill-ups. Very easy. Yes or no children? Now also we know. Yes, so have to study and write and see. Okay children? Okay, yes, so now all of you take your social homework note. Take your social homework note. Take your social homework note and write today homework children. Write today homeworks. So all of you first of all write today date and day in the homework note and classwork note also. You have to write every day date and day. Okay children, so take your homework note and write first today date and day. Okay, So already yesterday, already in the previous class also I gave only one question answer for study and write the homework. Yes or no children? Did I give? So did you study children when the Gram Sabha meeting held? Did you study that question? Sorry, very easy. Yes or no children? Yes. So did you study and write and see children? Yes. So every day you should study the classwork and homework. Okay. Every day I give very less only. Yes or no? 5 fill-ups and 1 question answer. So today also I gave like this only. Yes. 5 fill-ups and this only 1 question answer. So very easy. Yes or no children? So every day you should study the day itself. Okay children? Every day classwork and homework you should study the day itself. Okay children? So today also you should study. Okay. Study and write and see. Okay. Because our quarterly exam coming near us. So all of you study every day. Okay. Study and get 100 marks. Okay children? Yes. So now write today homework. First of all write today date and day. Then start to write. Answer the question. Answer the question. Don't copy children. You have to study and write the answer here. Okay. Don't copy. Okay. Only one question. Elucidate the 3-tier system. Elucidate the 3-tier system. The question, the answer is there in the classwork note. You can see the classwork and study clearly. After that write the answers in the homework note. Okay children? You can study clearly. Okay. With the spelling. Okay. You can study with the spelling. Okay. Clearly you can study. After that write the answer in your homework note. Okay children? There is only one question answer you want to study. Yes. So can you study children? Study. Okay. Elucidate the 3-tier system. Okay. Yes. So it is the homework today. So can study and write. Okay children? Yes. Then we will learn our next class. Have a nice day. Bye.